With Halloween around the corner and fall in the air, pumpkin recipes are a must in my home. So I'm going to be making one pumpkin recipe today and then also another one next week. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we believe that health is true wealth. And we're a company here to really support you in achieving your best health. Today we're going to be making a pumpkin and goat cheese pasta. Let's begin by adding 12 ounces of your favorite gluten-free pasta to a large wide pot. I'm going to be using penne pasta, but you're welcome to use whatever smaller size pasta you'd like. You just don't want to use spaghetti or linguine. Those other longer sizes just aren't going to work that well in this recipe. Next, we're going to add 32 ounces of either organic chicken or vegetable broth. Either one is going to work great, just depends on your diet. This next ingredient is probably going to surprise you. I'm going to use 12 ounces of pumpkin puree in a can, not to be confused with the pumpkin pie filling. They're very different. 1 cup of filtered water. Last, I have 1 tablespoon of heart-healthy either olive or avocado oil. Bring to a boil over high heat, stirring frequently. Once your mixture is boiling, cook for about 9 to 11 minutes or until the sauce begins to thicken. Be sure to stir often so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now we're ready to add in 1/4 cup of goat cheese. I'm going to be using a garlic and chive. And 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or to taste. Continue cooking and stirring until your pasta is evenly coated with the sauce, about 1 to 2 more minutes. Let's give this pasta a try. One thing, if you're using the plain goat cheese instead of the garlic and chive that I used, I would recommend adding in some minced garlic cloves in the very beginning. And then also you can mince up some fresh rosemary leaves and add them when you're adding in the goat cheese, and that will just up the flavor a ton. I topped mine with a little bit of cracked black pepper and just a little bit more some sea salt, so let's give it a try. That is such a warming dish, and look, you can really change the flavor of this. So mine is really mild, the way that I made it. So if you want to add in more flavor, add in that garlic. Add in some of that fresh rosemary. Also, you can top this with your favorite protein, so maybe some chicken or tofu, and also some fresh vegetables would be delicious on top. This is such a fun recipe, such a different way to use your canned pumpkin. I hope you give it a try. On a personal note, we just lost my sweet mom about 2 weeks ago. And she really was the one who instilled a love for cooking in my heart. And this is hers, which is why I wore it today to honor her. And I just want to invite you to pass on your love for cooking and your love for health to those that you care about. It's such a beautiful tradition to pass on. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next week. Bye.